In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account. By the end, you'll confidently link your bank so you can streamline payments, payouts, or reporting without any confusion. I'll walk you through each on-screen action and share a few quick tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, go to the area in your app or dashboard where bank settings live and click Bank Connections. This is typically found under Settings, Billing, or Payments. You're heading to the place that manages which financial accounts are linked to your profile. Make sure you're on a trusted network and that you're signed into the correct profile before you continue. Next, click Connect Account. This button may appear as Connect, Add Bank, or Link Account depending on the platform, but the idea is the same. You're starting a secure link between your bank and this service. If you see any short explanations about what data will be accessed, take a moment to read them so you know exactly what's being shared. Now, search your bank name. Start typing the official name of your bank and look for the exact match, often shown with a recognizable logo. If your bank has multiple divisions or regional names, choose the one that matches the login you normally use for online banking. Typing slowly and double-checking spelling can help surface the correct result right away. When your bank appears, log into your bank account. You'll be asked for the same credentials you use for your normal online banking. This step often happens through a secure, encrypted connection provided by a trusted financial connector, and your password is not shared back with the app you're linking to. If your bank uses multi-factor authentication, be ready to approve a prompt, enter a one-time code, or answer a security question. Keep your device nearby so you can complete any verification quickly. After authentication, you'll see a list of accounts available to connect. Select the account to connect, such as your primary checking or a specific savings account. Look carefully at the account names and the last few digits to be sure you're choosing the right one. If you see options for permissions like read-only access, confirm they align with what you need for this connection. Finally, click Continue or Connect to confirm. Give the system a moment to finalize the link. You should see a success message or a confirmation screen. That's it. Your bank is now connected, and the app can securely access the account you selected for the intended purpose. If you plan to connect additional accounts later, you'll follow the same process. Thanks for watching, and great job getting set up.